Tired of overspending? Sick of hidden fees eating away at your hard-earned cash? You're not alone. Millions of people are struggling to keep track of their finances in today's complex world. That's where apps like Rocket Money come in, promising to simplify your finances and save you money. But how trustworthy is it? We're diving deep into Rocket Money today, exploring its features, analyzing its effectiveness, and ultimately determining whether it's a legitimate tool for saving money or just another financial gimmick. Rocket Money is a personal finance app that aims to help users identify and cancel unwanted subscriptions, negotiate lower bills, find and claim unclaimed money, and track their spending. Here's a breakdown of its key features. Subscription tracking and cancellation. Rocket Money scans your bank and card statements to identify recurring subscriptions you might have forgotten about or no longer need. With a single click, you can cancel unwanted subscriptions directly through the app. Bill negotiation. Rocket Money can automatically negotiate lower rates on your behalf for services like internet, phone, and even insurance. Unclaimed Money Finder. The app searches for and helps you claim unclaimed money, such as forgotten bank accounts, uncashed checks, and life insurance policies. Spending tracking. Rocket Money provides a comprehensive overview of your spending habits, allowing you to categorize expenses, identify areas where you're overspending, and create budgets. Pros. Convenience. Automating subscription cancellation and bill negotiation saves you time and effort. Potential for significant savings. Identifying and canceling unused subscriptions and negotiating lower bills can lead to substantial cost savings over time. User-friendly interface. The app is generally easy to navigate and use, even for those who aren't tech-savvy. Free trial. You can try Rocket Money for free before committing to a subscription. Cons. Success rate varies. While Rocket Money has a proven track record of success in some cases, the actual savings achieved can vary significantly depending on your individual circumstances and the services you use. Limited control. When negotiating bills, you relinquish some control to the app's automated system. Privacy concerns. Granting the app access to your financial data raises legitimate privacy concerns. Subscription costs. The premium version of Rocket Money requires a monthly subscription fee, which may not be justifiable for everyone. To get a better understanding of Rocket Money's effectiveness, let's look at what real users have to say. Positive reviews. Many users praise Rocket Money for its ease of use, subscription cancellation features, and the potential for significant savings. Negative reviews. Some users report limited success with bill negotiation, while others express concerns about data privacy and the value of the paid subscription. If you decide to give Rocket Money a try, here are some tips for maximizing its effectiveness. Review and approve all actions. Carefully review the app's recommendations and only approve actions you're comfortable with. Monitor your accounts. Regularly check your bank and card statements to ensure that all unwanted subscriptions have been canceled and that bill negotiations have been successful. Prioritize high-cost services. Focus on negotiating bills for services with the highest potential for savings, such as internet, cable, and insurance. Take advantage of the free trial. Utilize the free trial period to thoroughly test the app's features and determine if it's a good fit for your needs. Consider alternatives. Research alternative personal finance apps and compare their features, pricing, and user reviews before making a decision. While apps like Rocket Money can be helpful tools, it's crucial to remember that they are not a magic bullet for financial success. Developing strong financial literacy is essential for making informed financial decisions and achieving long-term financial goals. Track your spending manually. Even if you use a budgeting app, tracking your spending manually can help you become more aware of your spending habits. Create a budget. A budget provides a framework for managing your income and expenses effectively. Automate savings. Set up automatic transfers to your savings account to ensure you're consistently saving money. Invest in your financial education. Read books, listen to podcasts, and attend workshops to improve your financial knowledge. Rocket Money can be a valuable tool for some users, particularly those who struggle to track subscriptions or negotiate bills. However, it's important to approach the app with realistic expectations and to carefully weigh the potential benefits against the potential drawbacks. Ultimately, the best way to improve your financial situation is to develop strong financial habits and make informed decisions about how you spend and save your money. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.